Never mind.
I need this.
Alright, what's up, guys? Carter.
Casey?
Yes,
And
Casey.
Cassie.
And we have a special guest here today.
I'm cool.
I'm cool. And today we're going to be doing the saltine challenge. Cassie, explain what that is.
So you gotta eat like as many crackers as you can, right?
Yeah.
Six.
6 crackers?
Well,
Yeah, 6
what
crackers.
did I say? It's 6 crackers in a minute. Then after that, we're going to try and eat 6 crackers in a minute. And then after that, whoever can eat the most without taking a sip of water. Because they are like really dry.
6 crackers in 60 seconds without taking a sip
Yes.
or getting sick.
Yay!
Yes, Gaga, yes.
Alright.
Yes!
Alright, so, you want
I'm glad I have
crackers, and I'll open. Can we get?
You have to eat every
18 out of
crumb.
those?
You have to eat every crumb. So if you drop
Every
a crumb on the
crumb.
ground, you have to pick it up.
You gotta like lick the crumb up off the ground.
You don't have to use your hands either. Yeah, new
Alright,
rule.
chill. We gotta chill. We gotta eat it.
New rule, you can't use your hands.
We'll do that. We'll say that for a different challenge. Okay.
Oh, I was gonna say, you gotta use your hands.
No, yeah, you gotta use your hands.
Alright.
Alright, I want to take 6 crackers.
I can use it.
If you want, yeah,
What do you
sure.
want me to play?
I don't care. Something good.
Something not copyrightable.
Well,
not-
I listen to today's stuff, not old timey stuff.
Ugh.
Alright, find 6 crackers out of that. Top ones are broken.
Cassie goes first.
Cassie, you're gonna be the timer since you got your phone out.
They're all broken.
Exactly. I got 6 whole ones.
I got 4. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4,
1,
5, 6.
2,
Alright.
3,
Alright,
4,
you go.
5, 6.
I don't
Make it
think we
rain.
have to, like...
Well, I got 6 out here.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, alright, can you find 6 out of that?
I'll
You
just-
need
I'll
a
just
new
do-
package. Alright, here. Find 6 more.
I'll do it with 4 because I'm a
Find
pussy.
6 more.
I need 2 more.
And I need you, and now I wonder
Stop. Let's stop.
if I
Let's
could
play some
fall.
happy
Sucks
music.
singing. Juice, I need 2 more crackers.
Oh, this one's broken too. Find some crackers. Get in the frame, dude. I don't want to be in the frame.
I don't want to waste crackers. Except that's exactly what we're doing. You get in the frame.
Get in the frame, dude.
I'm not gonna bite you or anything. It's not like I'm gonna bite your throat out.
Go for the throat.
But obviously I'm afraid of girls, so I mean...
It's not like I'm on period or something right now, but we good. I'm
Well,
not,
then.
I'm not.
I am.
Time of the month. Mark it on your calendar.
No.
Don't piss her off.
I'm
this
not
weekend.
on it.
Happy birthday.
Next week.
Oh.
Well then.
No,
Alright, Cassie, you're gonna be the timer.
Our cycles are sinking.
Okay.
Bruh. No. No. Everyone got 6 crackers?
Yeah. This is not a good sign.
Time. We need some like hype music. You got like a slow song going.
Alright.
These
What's
aren't
the hype
square.
Oh, this is a good song. I got you.
Is it a rap?
Yeah, cuz.
Alright, whatever.
Nicki Minaj.
We need like
shit.
that Weird Al parody. Just eat it.
Where's my timer? Alright.
This is a perfect song.
Alright.
Never mind.
How
Yeah,
long do I have
perfect
to
song
be?
for this. Eat. Only, you know, it's
How
not an
long-
ass. We're not eating it like a cupcake.
How
but,
long
you know.
do I-
Dude, language.
Shut up. What? 60 seconds. 1 minute.
Fuck.
1 minute. Go down to 1 minute. You don't even know how to work your own. Yeah, there.
Alright,
Alright. Ready? Set.
Wait, hold on. Let's just do it one at a time.
Wait.
Are you ready?
Ready?
1,
Are we all doing it?
Yeah.
Like at the same time?
6 at a time.
1,
No, not 6 at a time.
I mean 6 in a minute. Ready?
1,
Set.
go.
I'm so dry.
So salty!
Oh my god, I'm so dry.
Oh my god! Stop! I'm gonna hurt you.
Oh my god.
This is hard.
Ah!
Okay. We're done. We're done. We're done. Stop!
Alright, so none of us got in 1 minute.
I like my girl. This BBW.
That didn't work.
Oh, no.
That was kind of really horrible. I just lost my glasses.
Can't see without my glasses.
That's really dry. Holy crap.
You know what else is dry? A
Your
desert.
pussy.
What? Yeah, that too. Still.
Alright, so none of us got it in 1 minute, but I'm the one who technically like finished all of them.
You didn't.
So
You
I
spit them
won
all
that
out.
round.
Yeah.
I won that round.
What round?
The proof is all over
I'm not-
Cassie.
I'm not doing that again.
Now we're gonna see who can eat the most without taking a sip of water. So, yeah.
I can barely eat 3.
Didn't we just do that?
That was 6. All right.
Okay. 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 I'm probably just gonna eat these.
You didn't even finish yours.
Who, me?
No, her.
1, 2.
We gotta edit this out. You know that, right? It's taking forever.
You edit your face out. Burn. That wasn't a burn.
This is probably worse than our first video, and our first video was pretty bad.
Okay. So
Alright,
are,
ready?
are we trying it again?
Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can eat all these at once. This is
No, don't. Okay, you're wasting.
It's like-
copies.
a lot. I'm gonna see if I can like fit all the. Okay, well now I got that.
Never mind.
Let's see if I can fit all these
Hurry
one
up!
bite. Ow!
I don't think you need to show them that you're eating crackers.
Oh, I do. Show them how many that is. That's a
You're
lot.
like a white girl taking a picture of her coffee.
Yas, gaga, yas. Okay,
Are we just like doing round 2? Because I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do it.
let's go. All right,
We're doing round
Ready?
2. Do you want me to time it?
don't time this. Just
No, we just.
I'm gonna
just
time it. I'm gonna time it because
Okay.
YOLO.
here. Everyone get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Get
I'm not doing
10 crackers. We're gonna see who can eat them
I got
first.
I got 3.
Let's just do 6 because you know it's easy.
Yeah, because I got
No.
I got a small mouth.
We're not out of time, but we're gonna see who can finish them all.
I'm just
Okay,
gonna do 6.
we're gonna see who can finish them all.
Dude, I'm about to throw up.
All right, Cassie.
Oh,
getting,
man.
okay, we got 10, and Cassie has 6. We're gonna see
I
who
have
can finish
6.
Wait,
them
I have 4 now because I to 5 now because I dropped
first.
one.
All right, fine.
Just give her 1 and then
Yeah.
put back like 4. No, I don't
Here.
want 1. I have 6.
7, 6, 8.
Where's my dog's ass? So they can eat?
No.
6, 7, 8. That works. All right.
I dropped it.
Where's your dog?
Oh.
You just
Shit.
right there. Just look there.
That was on the ground.
No, it wasn't.
I just dropped.
Oh my gosh. Eat it.
Let's do this.
Or not. Okay. So you can finish these first. Ready?
All of them say that.
Okay, let's do that. All of them at the same time.
No,
Yes.
wait,
Yes.
no.
Yes.
No!
Yes.
Not really!
I may
Ready?
be gay, but I can't fit this much in my mouth.
I got a small mouth. I got braces.
Well then, you heard it here
See?
first.
See? You do it.
Ready?
No,
Set, Go.
No. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Mm.
Fuck it.
Jingle comes all over me.
Mm.
Whoa! Double sandwich, you know. Mhm.
Damn it.
He's there. He's there. Please spare me.
Mm.
Whoa!
Mm.
I'm the only one who's not making a mess.
Mm.
Oh, look at this and look at yours.
Well,
Mm. Oh no.
For once, I'm the normal one to do.
I'm not out. I'm still curious.
We got two seconds.
No!
Go. Go. Take one. Keep going. Keep going.
Okay.
Ah! Sorry.
Oh god, that hurts.
Don't run.
It's so dry, she's just throwing up sand.
No more. No.
Ah!
We're done.
Oh. I'm trying to throw it at the camera.
Brofist, no. That's sweetie pie. Can you eat my crackers, please? My cheap crackers?
I'm done.
I swear to God.
I'll do it!
Get the frame. Lower.
My eye!
My eye.
My
My leg!
I'm still chewing. It's like so dry.
Oh, why?
I'm
Oh, bro.
Yeah, we were supposed to do this without losing any crumbs.
Oops.
Our bad.
Oh, goodbye.
We don't need sad songs. Oh, that's a sexual song. We don't need that.
Yes, let's do that.
Hey, no, wait, no. Play some sexual music over there. Play some sexual. Figure out how to play some sexual music. So we're dirty.
Thumbnail? Eat it! Oh, yes! Food!
I feel like I'm really heavy. This is comfortable. Alright, so
That was a challenge.
that was the saltine challenge.
I think it was pretty worse. I think it was worse than our first video.
For
So
real though.
that's saying something, but
I hate crackers.
They were really dry. Like
You know what else is dry? A desert.
no.
but yeah, they were really dry. So I think I already know I can already see the comments, but yeah.
I have crackers on my
Subscribe,
shoulder.
leave a like below if you liked
Cracker
it.
on my
If you
shoulder.
did, then you're a pretty weird person, but you know, so are we. So
Please don't like it.
all right, say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. Yes, gaga.